Who among you know the five sense organs?
Me, teacher.
Yes, Ms. Tanya.
The five sense of organs are sense of touch, sense of hearing, sense of seeing, sense of touching, and sense of smelling.
Very good. Give Ms. Tanya a round of applause. And you are the players or the audience, the grade 6 students. Now the objective is, throughout this activity, students will be able to identify the five senses: the eyes or the sight, ears or hearing, nose or smelling, tongue or taste, and skin or touching. And the procedure is, first is the preparation. So you create bingo cards with a grid of 5 by 2 containing images about the five senses: the eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Prepare a list of call-outs, items, or actions, which is this. This is your bingo cards. So, procedure 2, game start, distribute a bingo card and a pen or marker to each student. Explain the rules of the game. Third is call outs. The teacher calls out an item or action related to one or five senses. Students identify the senses organ associated with the call out and mark the corresponding items on their bingo card. Fourth is bingo. The first student to complete a row or a column on their bingo cards shouts bingo. The teacher verifies the accuracy of the student's card. If correct, the student wins a prize. So are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
But before we start, I want you to know the scoring. First is the winning condition. The first student to correctly complete a row and column on their bingo card and shouts bingo wins the round. Third, second, verification. The teacher checks the winner's card to ensure all marked items correctly corresponds to the called out senses. Third is the prizes. Award prizes to the winner of each round. This could be school supplies like stickers, pencils, or erasers. Again, what will you shout if you are done with your bingo cards?
Bingo!
Okay, I think you are ready, so let's start our game. Here are the 10 items or actions that relates to the five senses. Let me read it to you. First, the sound of a ringing clock. Second, the sound of a fireworks. Third, the smell of delicious adobo chicken. Fourth, the smell of vanilla perfume. Five, the sight of beach waves. Six, the sight of a rainbow. Seven, the taste of a lemon juice. Eight, the taste of a coffee. Nine, the feeling of a soft jacket. 10, the feeling of a cold wind. So are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
So I will distribute to you now the bingo cards. Don't answer yet. I will give you the cue to answer. Get one, please. Are you now ready?
Yes, teacher.
Prepare your pen and don't copy your seatmates. You may now start.
Bingo.
Alright, we have our first winner, Miss Moana. And I will be giving another winner because I have two prizes here. Who is the second winner?
Bingo.
Alright, we have our second winner, Miss Aranda. Time's up, everybody. Finish or unfinished, pass your papers. You did a great job, everyone. Now, I will give the prizes to the winner. Our first winner is Miss Moana. Here's your prize. Our second winner is Miss Miranda. Take your prize. Alright, you did a great job, everybody. I hope you learned something about this activity